Hello friends, mamangi class ta koina trigonometric ratios of 0 and 90 degree hot kharba matungda ngasi trigonometric ratios of 45 degree khaktang yam tentak no hot minasi matung tarakpada 30 degree ga 60 degree dudi mathangi video da ai soidana maki semjarake aduna ichil law sing class 10 gi trigonometry hariba chapter si yamne important oiba chapter singi manungda amani aduna masi koina mirai ba yaba chapter natabnina koi tekli khara koi maru oiba jaga haidi khangdaba yadaba basic oiba problem sing do khoi khangnaba hotnasi aduna in order to calculate or in order to find out the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree we need a right angled triangle at B ado 45 degree gi na koi 45 degree da koi consider to si kari gumba angle A se masi 45 oiba taragadi if angle A is 45 oiba taragadi automatically angle C is masi 45 oigani kari gano haragadi akoina angle sum property da khangi the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree happening haidi triangle manung da yauri ba angles ahum jigi tinjina base 180 tagani happening aduna C 90 ni C 45 ni adudi C 45 ni mabani je tinjina 90 tare 90 plus sigi right angle siga 90 tinjina 180 tabani aduna angle A is 45 oragadi angle C sisu 45 oigam thoi habani adu oragadi angle A su 45 then angle C su 45 oire adu oragadi kamai tawrani AB hariba sigi side siga BC hariba side sisu chap manaragani karigino oragadi khoina property ama ningjangji sides opposite to equal angles are equal haiba khoi ningjangji haidi equals angle ga opposite oiba side to madu managani habani aduna AB ga BC ju manare let us suppose AB ga BC se k ni hana lawrasi adu oragadi hoji akhoina darkar leiri se suppose si degi observe tawragadi si perpendicular oire si base oire hypotenuse se darkar le haidi 90 degree gi opposite leiba side adu bo khoina hypotenuse ni haina khangnare aduna hypotenuse se masi puthokpa darkar leirabani na in right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem sizinaraga khoi hypotenuse se puthoksi adudi Pythagoras theorem je na hona nam connection minasi Pythagoras theorem ne kari hai the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two remaining side haibadi square gi hypotenuse ki square jiga lemori ba side ani du gi square gi tinjana baga mane haba adudi side ithad lage the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two remaining side habani so dear friends let us transfer this square to the right hand side because we need AC is in a way darkar le and to the root over lani what is the value of AB the value of AB is k square or benini k square same BC the sizu k square adudi mabani is twice k square adudi root over 2k so the value of AC is root over 2k silaire loina ma puthoi AB k ni BC k ni AC gina root over 2k so adu oi pataragadi trigonometric ratios of 45 degree khoi puthok minasi kamai puthokani sin 45 degree sin da khoina kari khangi sin di trigonometric ratios e perpendicular by hypotenuse haibani adudi sidai observe tawba matamda which one is the perpendicular BC is the perpendicular adudi k hypotenuse ti root 2k k kathanaraga 1 by root over 2 sina sin ni mathangda cos 45 degree cos ki na karino base by hypotenuse sidagi observe to matam the base se karam boire AB is the base so what is the value of AB the value of AB is k hypotenuse ti root over 2k masizu kathanaraga 1 by root over 2 adudi sin cos mathangda 10 what is the value of 10 gidi perpendicular by base perpendicular di karam mano perpendicular is BC k base t AB magi value is k so the value of 45 degree is 1 adadagi cot 45 degree cot ki trigonometric ratio ti kaino base by perpendicular sisodum k by k equal to 1 sin cos tan cot sec 45 degree gi sec ki kaino hypotenuse by base hypotenuse ki value kya no root 2 k base ki di k adudi root over 2 The value of sec 45 is root over 2. Mathangda cosec 45 degree. Cosec ki di kaino? Sida yengo. Sida hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse kya no? Root over 2k. Perpendicular di. K equal to k kakna raga root over 2. Masida koi na kai khang mga michil lao sing. Trigonometry ratios of 45 degree da sin 45 ka cos 45 chap mana gani. Makoi ki value to di 1 by root over 2. Tan 45 ka cot 45 ka chap mana gani. Madu ki value na 1. Sec 45 ka cosec 45 ka chap mana gani. Makoi ki value na root over 2. Aduna trigonometry ratios of 45 degrees hai. It is very simple. Mayam makoi yengminasi aduga comment section da dum aina ngang hobo wat pale da su chilaw sing da dum share to biro makhata na khoi dum tamminasi aduga haiba video si mayam share to biu class 10 tammi be chilaw sing da khitang do orga su kana raga di masi mayam gi pulap punna akhoi mayam gi yai phamina gadra haina khannaga semjabani mayam si yam kupna yeng biu haiba sai na mayam gi mafum da thamjari thagat jabani.